Princess Elizabeth and Lieutenant Philip Mountbatten were wedded on November 20th, 1947 at Westminster Abbey. They received 2,500 wedding gifts from all around the world, and their wedding was an event covered throughout the world.
Way back to the great west door, measure your own feelings against theirs. The beauty of the princess's bridal gown utterly transcended by the radiance of her own happiness, the distinction of her handsome husband matching her own serenity. Has taken precedence over her father and mother, for whom this will have been among the most moving hours of their lives, as for the Queen Mother too, and for Princess Andrew of Greece. And as the teeming crowds outside get ready to greet the bride and bridegroom, now as one, the guests left the Duke and Duchess of Gloucester, the Duchess of Kent, Princess Regent Juliana and Prince Bernhard, and all of that distinguished company of 2,000. And now for the procession of the bride and bridegroom to Buckingham Palace. Most palpable wave of affection bursting upon them. In the glass coach with captain's escort of household cavalry, the cavalcade begins. Here is the fairy tale of one's childhood come to life, vivid, enchanting. So let the sight and sound tell